Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Exam Buddy. Now let's do our assignment, The Joy of Computing using Python, Week 7, Assignment 7. The first question is, in the function play, what is the significance of the variable turn? So these are the option and the answer of our first question is B. It ensures alternating turn between the two players. Now the second question is, what happens in the code when a player rolls a number that moves them past position 100? So these are the option and the answer of our second question is C. The players stays in the same position. Now the third question is, what is the purpose of the following lines in the play function? So these are the option and the answer of our third question is B. To display final score and exit if the player choose not to continue. Now the fourth question is, if Ankan is at position 47 and the snake's dictionary contains 47 such that 26. What will be happen immediately after his dice roll move him to 47? So these are the option and the answer of our fourth question is C. He will go to 26. Now the fifth question is, what does the function show underscore board attempt to do? So these are the option and the answer of our fifth question is C. Open and display the game board image. Now the sixth question is, which of these function is called after a player moves and before their position is printed? So these are the option and the answer of our sixth question is C. Check underscore ladder and check underscore snake. Now the seventh question is, how many times is the line random dot randint 1 comma 6 evaluate in one full round of both players turn? So these are the option and the answer of our seventh question is B, twice. Now the eighth question is, which part of the code ensures that the game stop immediately when a player reach exactly 100? So these are the option and the answer of our eighth question is C, if reach underscore and pp1. Now the ninth question is, consider the following ladder dictionary in the format bottom such that top such that ladder equal to 1 such that 38 4 such that 14 and so on. If a player is on 27 rolls 1 and lands on 28, what will happen next? So these are the option and the answer of our ninth question is B. The player climbs the ladder to 84. Now the 10th question is, while true if turn percentile to equal to 0 printf p1 underscore name as turn. Why is the condition turn percentile to equal to 0 used in this part of the code? So these are the option and the answer of our 10th question is C. To alternate turns between the two players using the value of turn. Now the 11th question is, what will be the output of the following code? Backpack, map, compass, torch, print backpack 1. So the answer of our 11th question is A, map. Now the 12th question is, what will happen when dial raise runs this code? So these are the option and the answer of our 12th question is B. Now the 13th question is, what will be the output? So these are the option and the answer of our 13th question is A and B. Now the 14th question is, what will be the final content of the pouch? So these are the option and the answer of our 14th question is A. Now the 15th question is, what is the type of X in the following code? So these are the option and the answer of our 15th question is A. Now the 16th question is, which of the following statement is true? So these are the statement and the answer of our 16th question is C. Sets automatically remove duplicate items. Now the 17th question is, what will this code output? So these are the option and the answer of our 17th question is B. Now the 18th question is, Dilraj tries to update a tuple, find and fix the error. So these are the option and the answer of our 18th question is C. Tuples are immutable. Now the 19th question is, what will be the output of the following code? So these are the option and the answer of our 19th question is A. Now the 20th question is, Dilraj does the following. Which of the following is true based on this setup? So these are the option and the answer of our 20th question is B and C. Now the 21st question is, why does the code return 1 when n equal to 0? These are the option and the answer of our 21st question is B. To stop the recursion at some point. Now the 22nd question is, what will be the return value of factorial 1? So these are the option and the answer of our 22nd question is B1. Now the 23rd question is, identify the error in the following code. So these are the option and the answer of our 23rd question is B. No base case defined will result in infinite recursion. Now the 24th question is, what does the line n factorial equal to n into n minus 1 into n minus 2 and so on represent in the comprehension? So these are the option and the answer of our 24th question is C. A recursive definition of factorial. Now the 25th question is, how many recursive calls are made when he executes factorial 4? So these are the option and the answer of our 25th question is B. Now the 26th question is, Himmat accidentally writes, what will happen if he calls factorial? So these are the option and the answer of our 26th question is C. throws a recursion error. Now the 27th question is what will be correct way to make Himmat's function handle negative numbers safely. So these are the option and the answer of our 27th question is B. Now the 28th question is if Himmat's function is modified as what will happens when factorial 3 is called. So these are the option and the answer of our 28th question is C, infinite recursion. Now the 29th question is Himmat runs this code to reverse a string. What will be the output? So the answer of our 29th question is B. Now the 30th question is Himmat wants to reverse the word race using recursion. He writes a function that checks whether the string is non-empty as the base case. What will be the output of reverse string? So these are the option and the answer of our 30th question is B. E car. Now submit your answer. Thank you friends for watching our video.